A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, South Korea's impeached President Yoon Suk Yeol appeared before a Seoul judge on Saturday to argue against a law enforcement request for his formal arrest. Since his detention on Wednesday during a sweeping law enforcement operation at his residence, Yoon has faced serious charges including potential rebellion linked to his controversial declaration of martial law on December 3rd. This unprecedented move has triggered the most severe political crisis in South Korea since the nation's transition to democracy in the late 1980s. The Corruption Investigation Office for high-ranking officials is leading a joint investigation with police and military forces, seeking to secure a warrant for Yoon's formal arrest. During a nearly 5-hour closed-door hearing, Yoon's legal team presented arguments for his release, stating that his actions were a legitimate exercise of presidential power. Meanwhile, anti-corruption agencies argued for his continued detention, citing concerns over his previous defiance in attending questioning sessions. As the courtroom drama unfolded, thousands of Yoon's supporters rallied outside, creating a tense atmosphere filled with chants and banners demanding his release. The police presence was heavy, with some protesters momentarily breaching police lines as Yoon's motorcade approached the court. Yoon's lawyers indicated that he addressed the judge for about 40 minutes, although the specifics of his comments remain undisclosed. The judge is expected to announce a decision on whether to grant the arrest warrant by late Saturday or early Sunday. The stakes are high for Yoon. If arrested, investigators could detain him for up to 20 days while preparing the case for public prosecutors. Conversely, if the court denies the request for arrest, Yoon would be released back to his residence. The situation is complicated further by the fact that 9 individuals, including Yoon's defense minister and top military officials, have already been arrested and indicted for their involvement in the martial law enforcement. This political crisis began when Yoon sought to overcome legislative gridlock by imposing military rule, even deploying troops to the National Assembly and election offices. The move was short-lived, as lawmakers managed to vote against it within hours, leading to Yoon's impeachment on December 14th by an opposition-dominated assembly. Should Yoon be formally arrested, it could lead to a prolonged period of custody, potentially lasting months. If prosecutors proceed with indictments on charges of rebellion and abuse of power, Yoon could remain in custody for up to 6 months before a trial. Under South Korean law, orchestrating a rebellion can result in severe penalties, including life imprisonment or even the death penalty. Yoon's legal team contends that he poses no flight risk and has not attempted to destroy evidence. However, investigators counter that his previous refusals to cooperate raise doubts about his compliance with legal proceedings if he is not detained. As the nation watches closely, the outcome of this case could have profound implications for South Korea's political landscape and the future of its leadership. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.